Today, we have a Samsung S24 Ultra that has seen much better days. A customer sent this in after a pretty serious drop. The screen is completely shattered, a web of cracks obscuring the display beneath. The titanium frame, usually so pristine, is covered in deep scuffs and gouges. It's a sad sight for such a powerful and beautiful device, but this is exactly the kind of challenge we live for. Our task is to bring this technological marvel back from the brink and restore it to its original factory-fresh glory. The journey will be intricate and demanding, but the final result will be worth every moment of painstaking effort. We begin the restoration by carefully disassembling the phone. This is a delicate dance of heat and precision. After gently warming the shattered back panel to soften the adhesive, we use thin prying tools to separate it from the frame. With the back off, we get our first look inside. We meticulously disconnect the battery, the camera modules, and the complex web of flex cables. Each screw is removed and organized, every component laid out in sequence on our work mat. It's like performing surgery on a piece of the future, with each part, from the S Pen silo to the intricate motherboard, handled with the utmost care to prevent any further damage. With the phone completely disassembled, the real work of cleaning and repair can commence. Every single component is inspected under a microscope for hidden damage. We use soft bristled brushes and compressed air to gently blow away dust, glass shards, and any other debris that has found its way inside the chassis. The focus then shifts to the major repairs. We carefully remove the remnants of the broken screen assembly from the frame. The new, genuine Samsung display is prepared. A flawless panel ready to bring the phone back to life. A brand new back panel, matching the original color, is also set aside, waiting to complete the transformation. Now we reverse the process, beginning the careful reassembly. The new screen assembly is precisely aligned and bonded to the cleaned frame, creating a perfect, seamless fit. One by one, we begin reinstalling the internal components. The motherboard is seated, the impressive camera array is clicked back into place, and every flex cable is reconnected with a satisfying snap. Each of the tiny screws is returned to its designated home, tightened just enough to ensure a secure and stable build. We install the new back panel, applying fresh adhesive to guarantee a water-resistant seal just like the day it left the factory. And here it is, the moment of truth. The once shattered Samsung S24 Ultra now sits before us, looking absolutely brand new. The screen is a perfect uninterrupted black mirror, and the frame is flawless. With a press of the power button, the screen illuminates, the vibrant Samsung logo glowing brightly before transitioning to the welcome screen. We run a full diagnostic, testing the touch response, the cameras and the S Pen, and everything functions perfectly. Another device saved from the scrap heap, fully restored and ready for its next chapter. It's a testament to the power of careful, dedicated repair, proving that even the most damaged devices can be brought back to life.